Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM21 won't heat up when you're cooking, it can be quite frustrating. This problem often arises due to a faulty solenoid, which is responsible for regulating heat. If left unfixed, you may find yourself unable to prepare meals, leading to wasted ingredients and time. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, a multimeter for testing, and a replacement solenoid. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged from the mains to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by carefully removing the base of the Thermomix. You'll typically find screws at the bottom that need to be unscrewed with a suitable screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to avoid damaging any connectors. The faulty component we're looking for is the solenoid, usually located near the heating element. To locate it, follow the wiring from the heating element. It should lead you directly to the solenoid. Once located, you'll need to disconnect the cables carefully using your pliers, making sure not to pull on the wires too harshly. Now, remove the screws securing the solenoid in place. These screws may require a bit of force, so apply steady pressure without over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old solenoid, take your new one and place it where the old one was. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it is firmly in place but not too tight to avoid any damage. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are attached to the correct terminals as per your earlier observation. Once everything is connected, replace the base of the Thermomix, securing it with the screws you took out initially. Plug in your device and conduct a test to ensure it heats up correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure to regularly check the connections and avoid overloading your Thermomix. Keeping it clean and well maintained can also extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.